What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shauna Solomon, your fave fashion stylist. I finally went to Burlington, so I'm not sure. I'm assuming that they were doing a 50% off sale because of everything that was going on with the coronavirus and COVID and people not being able to shop. So they were getting rid of like the old inventory. I didn't do any research on it, but I finally decided to go ahead and head on out, mainly because I needed stuff for the space. So I'm working from home. There's like stuff all over the place. Um, I'm needing more hangers here and to try to lug them back and forth. I didn't want to have to do that from either store. So I said, well, let me go see what it is they have. So went out for a day with my girls and my mom. And oh, I still got my, my mask on. Um, and we actually went to At Home first. And if you're one of my clients, you know how I love the hugger hangers. And if you don't know what a hugger hanger is, I'm going to show you. They're just kind of like a suede felt type material, but they're really good when it comes to holding um, like shirts and stuff like in place because of the type of material that they are. You can literally get these anywhere. Gabe's has them, Ross has them, and they're usually in a pack of like 10 to 15 for like 25. I mean, for like 7.99. So what I did was we were in At Home and I was looking for some lamps for something else or for the house. So I decided to grab one of those big boxes they had. And this is At Home and they were 19.99 and you got 50 of these, which is amazing for that price. So I thought I did something. So then we head over to Burlington because why not? It was right across the street. They were having a 50% off sale. And I'm actually a little upset that I didn't go before, but it wasn't meant for me to be there at the time and everything that was going on. So I go in there and I just want to show you. And I didn't do a whole bunch because I don't think I did get some. I got my daughter a blazer. But I went over there and literally everything was 50% off outside of housewares and like women accessories, but all of that stuff was marked down pretty heavily. So I'm going to show you guys. One second. I'm about to show you guys. So what I got. So back to the hanger thing. So I need hangers like nonstop, and buying the ones that go into the store. I personally I just don't like them, and plus they don't go with the decor of the black. So I always, whenever I would go out, I would be at Gabe's or wherever I would be at, I would always pick some up. So in being there, walking into Burlington, my mom suggested we go back to the houseware department, and actually got, and there wasn't a lot of them, but they had a whole pack of these for $6.99. Right. So what did I do? And this is actually the Juicy Couture ones. I didn't even recognize that. But they had like different brands. They only had a few of them. So my mom grabbed some, I grabbed some. And they were 25 for 25 for $6.99. So I was able to get three and still stay at that $20 mark from what I had got from At Home. So guess what I did? I returned them. Why? Because I need some here. I need some down at the store. And it was like, I mean, for 75 hangers, for $20 for 75 hangers, like, and it might not seem like a lot to y'all, but I absolutely love sales, and I love hangers. So that's one of the that's one of the nice finds that I had got from there. They also had a whole bunch of um accessories that were, even though the women's accessories, even though they were not half off, they were marked down. So you can see that this was actually $1.99, and it's just like a cute little brooch. So I'm always buying stuff from buying little trinkets and stuff for my clients. So I was like, well, let me see what they have over there. So they have so many different things in there. So I got a few of these, and they were literally all like $1.99. So And it's just custom jewelry, nothing like spectacular, but it's something that they would appreciate. And if I decide to put like a shirt or something in there, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, this would kind of just fill the room with fill the bag space or the box space, whatever it is that I decide to use. So this is 3. What else did I get? Of course, I had to get my grandbaby something, and these were 2 as well. And this is Guess. So they have some really cute little, like if you do like I do and send out little gifts um or you make boxes, things like that. It was a really nice place to go and get. Oh, and I also got this. Okay, no, this one actually came from, I'm sorry, this came from At Home. Regardless, it's still cute. And this was 50% off. And I'm not a makeup person, so buying makeup brushes and stuff is like not my forte. So being able to buy these from there was a nice, this is from At Home, for $5 was a really nice thing. And then also from Burlington, some cute little studs. And these were actually $1.49. So, and again, these are little things that you might not just absolutely have to have. The things that pull stuff together, like on them days when I don't feel like doing all of this, I can throw on a pair of these. And some people, these are cubic zirconians. So some people put like the fingernail polish trick and do all of that stuff around her. I'm pretty good, and I'm pretty sensitive, but I'm pretty good as long as I don't sleep in anything. So, but that's some of the jewelry that I got. So I'll be able to put some of this stuff in some of the bags that I make for my clients, which I think will be really dope. And then I also got these wooden hangers, and these hangers are normally $9.99, and I got these for $2.99. And there's only 5 in here. So if you have a man in the house and they had a lot of these left, and he has like bigger shirts, bigger shoulders, and also the pants. Like I love pants hangers. I did get 2 of those, and again they were only $2.99. I also did get my daughter a blazer, and I bought the kids some bracelets. And my total, let me show y'all this other thing I got. Hold on. And it's so easy to buy a whole bunch of stuff that you might feel like you don't need. Look at this. So I have all kind of statement jewelry. So this was, I want to say $9.99. But I'm always looking for little things like this. So now is the time when these places are doing like 50% off. Is a great time to get stuff like this. And this also says life is too short to wear boring jewelry. It is. And when you see the belts that I'm going to have this weekend in the dressing room, oh my goodness, it is. This is so true. When it comes to wearing boring stuff. So I always try to do something different. And that's another thing I wanted to show. Because of this, I wanted to try something different with brooches because I have my hair up. I was thinking about doing like a barrette. I don't know why. But I like, of course, everybody knows that I like rhinestones. So I was going to see about doing, just putting I can't open this, but just, like if you're getting married or something, using a brooch for something other than going on you. You can actually use it like in your hair or something like that. But all of this, plus the blazer, I got my daughter a black blazer, and I had 2. Oh, here it go right here. I didn't think I was that close. Hold on. I thought I packed this stuff up already. So then I also got the girls these cute little limited 2 watches. I believe these are only like $2.99, and they come with other bands. I got her, Callie and Cam both got one. And this blazer, this was 50% off. So this only ended up being like $8. My daughter's a little itty mini, but this is a cute little blazer for $8 for her to be able to do her boss stuff in. And then last but not least, we have this cute scarf that I know I have a client who would absolutely love it because it has some camo in it, some green, I'm not sure how exactly I'm going to wear it, but I might do some of this. It has like a peach and red and orange and yellow mixed with camo, which is super, super cute. See how I just did that quick. And it still has the tag and stuff on there, so but you just take it around and you just pull it through. And it's just like a cute fashionable way that I wear one of the ways that I wear my scarves. So I grabbed this because it was it was not black, it was not white, and it had some color to it. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm going to rock this. But this was actually like $3. So all in all, I got all of this stuff and my bill was $42 and like 71 cents. So that was a pretty decent haul considering that even with just the hangers alone at home, those were $20. So I did end up yesterday. I did go back and return those other hangers. And if I need them again, I'll go back and get them. But right now, I just needed a few to get me to hang up some of the new arrivals and stuff that I got. So that was a good deal for me. Hangers, 75 for $20. I thought it was a good deal. But that's all. I just wanted to show you guys what I got, everything that I had got from Burlington's 50% off sale. If there's one in your area, make sure you go ahead and go. I also didn't do a whole bunch of shopping with clothing only because I wasn't looking for a client. I was kind of just in there and I don't need anything. So, but my mom and the other young lady I was with did grab some good deals with the clothes. Again, everything is 50% off. I think they're just getting rid of the stuff that's there so they can bring all of this new stuff in. And I do want to mention that it wasn't really like a social distancing type thing. There wasn't a whole bunch of people in there. They did have the social distancing by the cash registers. Everybody had to have on a mask, that type of thing. But that was my experience in going into Burlington. I haven't been in Burlington in probably, I don't know, how long have we been shut down? I probably haven't been in Burlington in because I wasn't in there like a month or so before we shut down. So that was like my first time going in there in like 4 or 5 months. It was a good haul. So that's all I wanted to show you today. I do have some stuff that came from a few boutiques that I'm getting ready to do those videos on. So I just want to make sure that you guys stay informed on all the different sales that are going on and what you can find. If you like the channel, make sure you subscribe. I do have a lot more content coming up. I thank you again. Make sure you hit that button. Talk to you later, guys.